Instead of pushing harder and harder and harder, working longer and longer hours, sometimes you just need to actually step back and just change direction a little bit.
So we want to form these new beliefs. We want to start telling ourselves, you know what? Screw this. I'm going to become a successful business owner. I'm sick and tired of remaining average. It starts with the mindset.
In order to achieve whatever it is that is your definition of a freedom farm, we really need to lean in and master each one of those levels.
It's great energy, great to be here with all these, the coaches and the directors. They're really obviously passionate about what they do.
It's also about understanding who we are as people and what do we want to achieve for our family, and perhaps not trying to do everything at once. That's been really powerful for me today.
It's good to have something designed for the farmers instead of going somewhere else and trying to adapt that to our farm.
A bit of a shot in the arm of energy too and inspiration.
If you're investing time, energy, money and effort into running a farming business, then you should expect to get a decent profit from the risk that you're taking as a farm business owner. Otherwise, own the land and lease it out to somebody.
Great opportunity to sort of network with other farmers.
Lots of new connections and people that you talk to. It's really nice to have 200 or something people in a room together.
It's definitely given us clarity around the areas that we need to focus on.
And we can make sure we get that family time that we all want.
It just makes you feel so uplifted that there can be a change, there can be a move forward, and it's a pretty positive thing.
Just having the freedom to live our life is what we want to do. We don't want to spend our life slaving away.
And I think this process actually maps out a way that you can keep improving your business, but just without adding extra work on it, actually to simplify it, take some of the work away.
The difference between the people who are performing well and the people who are performing averagely, they do a whole range of things just a little bit better. And those things multiply together to give the results that we're talking about here.
Really helpful for us to be both hearing the same message and then being able to compare what we've taken away from it.
Dad was instantly, you could see a little sparkle in his eyes.
After a program like this, I can't help but go away motivated.
Really grateful for what we have got, where we're at, what we've been able to achieve already, where we'll go in the future.